India is a country in South Asia. It is the seventh largest country by area, the second most populous country with over 1.2 billion people, and the most populous democracy in the world. It is bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, the Arabian Sea on the southwest, and the Bay of Bengal on the southeast. It shares land borders with Pakistan to the west, China and Bhutan to the northeast, Burma and Bangladesh to the east. The India economy in 2017 was nominally worth 2.454 trillion US dollars. It is the sixth largest economy by market exchange rates, and the GDP per capita is 1,861 US dollars. The President of India is a head of state and is elected indirectly by a national electoral college for a 5-year term. The parliament is composed of presidents of India and the houses. It is bicameral with 2 houses, the Rajya Sabha, which is a Council of States, and the Lok Sabha, which is House of People.
The Himalayas act as a barrier to the frigid Carpatic winds following the dawn from Central Asia. North India is kept warm or only mildly cooled during winter. In summer, the same phenomenon makes India relatively hot. Although the tropical of Cancer, the boundary between the tropics and the subtropics, passes through the middle of India, the whole country is considered to be tropical. In the last 4 years, India has witnessed as many as 4,620 deaths caused by the heat wave, out of which 4,246 people died in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana alone. Most Indian cities and states are not prepared to handle more heat, even if they understand the devastation it can wreak. After more than 2,500 were killed in heat-ravaged areas across India in 2015, 9 other cities rolled out a plan to educate children about heat risk, stock hospitals with ice packs and extra water. But the 9 cities covers only about 11 million people, not even 1% of the country's population. Although the government suggests people stay at home to avoid heat from outside, but some people are poor. They need to work to pay bills to live. They need to work no matter how high is the temperature. In some poverty area, people cannot afford air condition, not even electric fan. People like them who cannot survive from the heat wave.
We have a simple idea which can help those people survive in hot summers when the heat waves making their homes are too hot to live. It is called Eco Cooler. The Eco Cooler is the world's first ever zero electricity air conditioner. The method is fairly simple. A board is cut to fit the desired window, and bottleneck size holes are cut out in a good pattern. The buttons of empty plastic bottles are cut off and discarded, leaving funnel-shaped bottlenecks that are placed on the good. That's all there is to the Eco Cooler. When mounted, the wider part of the bottles face outward and catches the passing wind. When the hot wind goes through the bottle's necks, it cools the air. It is same as how it works in the mouth, except for the task of installing it in place of the regular window. The Eco Cooler has the ability to reduce indoor temperatures as much as 5 degrees, which is on par with what an electric centrally installed air conditioning system can do. For someone who lives in tin-roofed huts that amplify the sun's heat, The eco-cooler could be a breath of fresh air. Once the Indian government sell the idea of product to one village, we can get $100. We want to get the concept out there to help as many as people.
The intense cooperation between China and the Indian authorities brings many financial benefits and social welfare to the people living in that area. Due to the development of the One Belt One Road policy, it is clear that such development and communication with neighbor countries will boom the transportation and employment. New technologies are brought to the disadvantaged place, which can promote the trust and interaction of different parts. One scheme is that through the coordination of two sets of products useful for basic needs can be sold to India, which can be seen from the product of the zero electricity cooler. This device is of great importance to the people in India. The local geographic condition can be quite hard, and this gadget can make their life more comfortable. The best part of this product is that it does not rely on electricity. The local infrastructure development is not very satisfactory at present, so this device actually has a great future in India thanks to the OBOR policy. Another crucial point is that 1/3 of the profits are put aside to care for the Indian poor people. The money earned from people are again used for the benefit of local community. We can see that the idea makes money, in turn it resolves the poverty and provides public service. The wealth gap can be narrowed by such acts. Surprisingly, political efforts give very feasible solutions to social issues, starting from basic problems, such as living conditions.